Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel and welcome to a brand new video. So as you can see from the title, today I am making a chocolate cake. So this is something really different on my channel. So it's my grandson Finley's 3rd birthday and I asked him what cake he wanted and he said dinosaur. So I did get a little bit worried because I've never made a dinosaur cake before. So I checked out some YouTube videos and I thought it looked quite simple, so I tried out my own. The cake I'm making today is going to be a chocolate cake. I tweaked it a little bit. I put Galaxy cookie crumble spread inside the frosting. And I can tell you now, it tasted amazing. It was so good. This recipe is so simple. I actually got this online, so I will leave the recipe in the description bar down below. So if you want to see that, go check that out. Like I said, it is so simple. So you just basically add all the ingredients into a bowl and then just mix it all together. So simple, so quick. I think it took me like 10 minutes to actually mix it all together, add all the ingredients together, and then it goes in the oven for about 30 minutes. So really quick and easy. I think what took me the longest was moulding the actual dinosaurs. But yeah, I leave the recipe in the description down below. Everything that I used today, I will leave a list down below so you can go check that out as well. I used 8-inch tins because the recipe just makes enough for 2 8-inch tins, which is great because then it means I don't have to faff around trying to cut the cake in two. I can just put them together and just frost the cake. So yeah, so make sure you used 8-inch tins for this recipe. And then I'm just going to put it into my oven on 180 degrees and I put it on for 30 minutes like I said. Sometimes I check it after 27 minutes just to make sure it's not burning or anything on top. So on to making the actual dinosaur characters. So like I said, I will leave a list of everything that I've used today in the description bar down below because going through it would just take too long. But actually the icing and stuff like that I bought from B&M and it was so cheap, so affordable. I think these packets only cost me like 68p, which I thought was amazing. So it was really inexpensive to make the actual cake itself. I'm going to stop rambling on now, let you watch how I made this cake. Let me know in the comments down below if you recreate this cake because I'd love to know. Also, let me know in the comments if you have any video suggestions that you would like to, and I will see you all for a next video. Don't forget to like this video, give me a thumbs up, helps me so much. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will love you all and see you all soon. Bye!
hear me laughing. I'm the new thing in this field. You should kneel instead of me now. Yeah, I rose up from the dead. Your words inside my head. All the odds were against me, but now I'll lead ahead with grace. I'm winning this race. Give me some space. I'm a movement and I ain't losing. Gonna go, 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 go. Like a bullet, don't take no bullshit. You should know, no, no, no. I'm about to explode. For permission, no, I don't have to say I'm sorry. I ain't staying in the background, no.